Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do the workbook of chapter 10 light. Question number 1, state whether the following statements are true or false. Statement number 1, light travels faster in air than in water. This is true statement. Statement number 2, an image seen through a concave lens appears smaller than the normal and is always the right way up. This statement is also true. Statement number 3, there are 7 visible colors in the spectrum and 2 invisible colors. This is also true statement. Statement number 4, if you shine a ray of light through a red filter, only red light will be transmitted through the filter. This statement is also true. Statement number 5, a red car under a yellow street light appears black. This is a false statement. Question number 2, choose the correct option. Statement number 1, when drawing a ray diagram, what is the normal? Option A, a line drawn at 45 degree to the face of the mirror. Option B, a line drawn at 60 degree to the face of the mirror. Option C, a line drawn at 90 degree to the face of the mirror. Option D, a line drawn at 180 degree to the face of the mirror. The correct option is C, a line drawn at 90 degree to the face of the mirror. Statement number 2, what happens to a light ray when it passes from air into a glass block? Option A, it bends away from the normal. Option B, it bends towards the normal. Option C, it does not bend. Option D, it is reflected off the surface of the glass. The correct option is B, it bends towards the normal. Statement number 3, what is the light from the sun called? Option A, solar light. Option B, sunlight. Option C, white light. Option D, yellow light. Correct option is C, white light. Statement number 4, the splitting of light into different colors is called option A, deflection. Option B, dispersal. Option C, dispersion. Option D, dispensation. The correct option is C, dispersion. What are the 3 primary light colors? Option A, blue, green and red. Option B, blue, green and yellow. Option C, green, orange and yellow. Option D, red, green and orange. Correct option is A, blue, green and red. Question number 3, use these words to fill the gaps in the passage. Words are absorbed, opaque, shadow, translucent, transmitted. Rays of lights are transmitted through materials such as glass. Opaque materials such as wood absorb light. When a piece of wood is placed in a beam of a light, a shadow is formed. This is because the light is absorbed by the wood. There are other materials such as grease-proof paper which let some light through. These are called translucent. Question number 4. The diagram shows a girl sitting by a window reading a book. Part 1. How is girl able to see the book? The answer is light from the window reflects light from the pages into her eyes. Question number 4. Part 2. Explain why the girl cannot see her reflection in the pages of the book. The answer is the pages of the book absorb light and do not reflect light as they are opaque. Question number 4, part 3. Underline the words that best describes the pages of the book. The words are non-reflective, opaque, translucent, transparent. The word that best describes the pages of the book is opaque. We have to underline this word. Question number 5. Imagine you live on a farmhouse whose farm road joins the main road at a blind junction. You want to fix a big plane mirror on the fence opposite to the farm road entrance to help you drive onto the main road safely. Question number 5, part 1. Draw a straight line representing the mirror in a position that will give you good view of the road to your right. Beta, this will be the position of the mirror that will give you a good view of the road to your right. This will be the position. This line indicates the position of mirror. Question number 5, part 2. A. Draw a line representing a light ray from car B to the mirror. Beta, this is the line that represents the light ray that is coming from car B to the mirror. Question number 5, part 2. B. Draw a line representing a light ray from the mirror to car A. Beta, this is the line that represents the light ray that is coming from car A to the mirror. From the mirror to car A. This is the line that represents the light ray that is coming from the mirror to car A. Question number 5, part 3. Label the incident ray and the reflected ray. This ray of light will act as incident ray, that is the ray that is coming from the car B to the mirror, and the light ray that is coming from the mirror to the car A will be the reflected ray. Question number 5, part 4. Label the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. But this ray of light that is incident, this ray is incident at this point on the mirror. This point is called point of incidence, and a line drawn at 90 degree to the face of mirror at the point of incidence is known as normal. This is normal. The angle of incidence is the angle between the normal and the incident ray. This angle will be the incident angle of incidence. And the angle between the normal and reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. This angle is the angle of reflection. Clear? Next, question number 5, part 5. If the angle of incidence is 30 degree, what is the angle of reflection? The answer is the angle of reflection is also 30 degree, because according to the law of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Thank you.